Hello there. Welcome to Garden Glow, your location for all things cozy and green. We will be discussing small patio layouts for tiny backyards. Let's keep the focus on comfort, not clutter. Start by determining what the space will be used for. One clear purpose. Quiet mornings, evening tea, weekend reading, etc. This will help decrease options and help narrow down choices. A small bistro set works well in corners or tucked away spaces, especially if you can add a soft outdoor rug underneath. Add some planters along the edges to frame the space and layer in some calming greens. A bench with built-in storage is space-saving but will also keep your outdoors organized, which means you can eliminate all those mechanisms you have out and eliminate clutter. Lastly, don't forget about lighting. Lanterns or solar lights will make even a small patio feel magical after sunset. With a few well-placed items, you can create a warm little escape in your tiny backyard that you will look forward to coming home to. If you found a bit of peace with your backyard ideas, comment and subscribe to Garden Glow for more small space garden inspirations. See you in the next one.